Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning how to do a single crochet decrease. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook. Chain the desired number of stitches. Insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Without completing this stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. You've completed a single crochet decrease. 2 stitches have been combined into one. Now, let's do this one more time. I'll demonstrate the single crochet decrease in the next set of stitches. Great! We've now made 2 single crochet decreases. Let's continue this pattern. We'll keep making single crochet decreases across the row. I'll demonstrate a few more times. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the first row. To start the second row, chain 1 and turn your work. Insert the hook into the first stitch and pull up a loop. This is an incomplete single crochet. Insert the hook into the next stitch and pull up another loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete the single crochet decrease. Let's demonstrate another set of single crochet decreases. I'll show you one more time. Continue this pattern to complete the second row of single crochet decreases. Congratulations! You've mastered the single crochet decrease technique.